Hey Peaches, what is up? I hope that you are having an awesome day today. So I wanted to film this video that I have had on my mind and on my filming schedule for a while now, but basically my work schedule has been a little bit much. My work schedule has been a little bit much the last 2 weeks, and my voice doing this is a perfect lead-in to let you know that I'm not feeling well today. Sorry, it was way too bright in here. So yeah, I'm not feeling good today at all. I just finished my shift at work and I am filming this video, hopefully editing it, and then going to sleep. But I am really excited to talk about everything, and I know you can tell by the title, it's a PR unboxing. I have done very few of these, and usually it's just one little, like, not little, it's like dedicated to one unboxing. I actually have a lot of stuff today and I'm really excited. I feel like I was gonna say this goes without saying, and then I started thinking it kind of might not actually go without saying because nobody ever says it in PR videos, but, or at least I don't feel like they do. All of this was sent to me for free. I didn't pay for a single nothing having to do with any of it, and sometimes brands do that so that they can kind of get you to write reviews, whether it's good or bad. Sometimes it just looks more reputable, I guess, reputable, if there's a lot of reviews on something, sometimes even if they're not great reviews. But all these brands have sent me some really good things, and yeah, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. Sorry if my voice is annoying. To me it sounds super annoying, like in my own head, but nothing new there. So the first huge package I want to show you guys, and I want to start with this because it's kind of like older. I got it a couple weeks ago, but I featured it on my Instagram, but I don't think I did do an actual post about it, but I never put anything on YouTube, and I know not everybody on here follows me there because some people don't have an Instagram. So I did want to share it with you guys here as well. This is from Pixi. Ooh, hope everything doesn't fall out in it. Pixi is always super good to me, and this is celebrating their 20 years of glow. So I'm dorky and I really like PR boxes, and I always get like starstruck when I get one. So I kept like all the boxes to everything, basically. I'm gonna try to tell you guys what all this stuff is, but the only thing I was able to put back in here is the Glow Mist, which is like a makeup setting spray, or you can use it just to refresh your skin, basically. Also, I should have said this at the beginning too. None of this is like a review video. I'm not giving reviews on anything really. I might mention how something is for me, but if you guys want a specific review or like a tutorial using something, just tell me down below and I can definitely do that for you. They also gave me the Rose Ceramide Cream, which is upstairs on my vanity. They gave me the Glow Tonic, which is also upstairs on my vanity. And then the palette that came in this one was the Eye Reflection Shadow Palette, which is this one right here. So cute, and I've been really impressed with Pixi eyeshadow quality. So I went out and I bought this one. You guys saw that in my Target haul. And yeah, I've been using it nonstop. I love both of those palettes a lot. And then they gave me the Endless Silky Eye Pen in black. I think it's just called like Blackest Black or something. Y'all, that's a good eyeliner, let me tell you. They gave me the Matte Last Liquid Lipstick. And this one is in Berry Beauty. So it's like kind of red, but berry. So a little bit different than red, like, you know. And then they gave me the Lip Lift Max Glossy Lip Plumper, and I also have been using that like crazy. So a huge thank you to Pixi. Like I said, they're always so generous with all of their packages, and I don't know, they were one of the first brands that started sending me PR. And I don't know if you guys know this, but basically when someone has sent you PR, that doesn't mean you always get every single PR package that they send out. So sometimes if I see people posting about something, I'll not look at it because I don't know if I'm getting it or not, and I like to be surprised. But some things I don't get, and that's totally fine, but it always is a surprise then when I end up getting a PR package from anywhere, including Pixi. I cannot wait to take these eyelashes off and go to sleep. I feel like my hair looks so long today. Like I said, I keep boxes. I don't know, it's just really exciting to me. So this is from CoLab, and if I'm remembering right, they just launched here from the UK. Like they've already had this line there, but they are launching here now. It's sold at like Walmart, I think, Target I know for sure, and maybe like Rite Aid. So this, the way they had this package was so cute, and I should have put them all back in, but I'm just gonna grab them from behind the camera real quick. Okay, so first of all, like, cutest packaging for a dry shampoo ever. They gave me several, their whole collection, I believe, and again, super, super generous of CoLab. So this is in the fragrance Unicorn. I kept them out on my counter just because they're so cute. Like, they look like decorations. Again, Unicorn. Fruity, which I've used a few times. I've actually used, I think, all of these now a few times, but I like Fruity, Unicorn, and this one, which is Dreamer. Super cute packaging on it too. Paradise, Tropical, and then this is just like their original one. All of the packaging is just too cute to me, but like I said, I know for sure you can get that at Target, and I think it's at Walmart and Rite Aid as well. They're like $5, like close to $6 a piece. So pretty reasonably priced, and the packaging is just adorable. So I have a couple lip products. First, you guys know I love Edwin Barrow. I have the dual foundation face powder that I wear every single day from them. I have a lipstick. I have a crushed eye pigment. Do I have something else from them? I have a few things from them, and I really love them. Product wise, amazing, but just like brand in general, they're really fun to talk to and work with, and you know, they sent me this lipstick in Unleash, and it's just like, for their packaging, I've said this before, but I just like it because it's so sleek and like chic. But this is Unleash. It's a super cute purpley color, and I saw where I could like apply to receive this one, and I was like, oh, please let me get that one, because I have the other color, which is mocha, and I love it, and I really wanted this one, so I was so happy to get this. I paired this with like a nice purpley eye. I have it on my Instagram, and it's just super cute. I actually love purple lipsticks and like different colors like that. Some people are like, it's just not wearable, or I can't pull it off, or whatever. I'm like, you can pull off literally anything that you want to, I feel like. I don't know, I don't think that that's a good, I don't like to hear that. I'm like, you got it, girl. Pull off anything. I literally feel like my nose is getting stuffier by the second, but why? The next product I was so excited to get. I have never had anything from Bobbi Brown, believe it or not. And I'm like choking on my tongue, sorry. Believe it or not. This is the Crushed Oil Infused Gloss in Free Spirit, and it is so gorgeous. I've been pretty much wearing this almost every single day since I got it. So much that I had to be like, okay, take a step back on using it. But it's so good. I have a problem a lot of the time with lip glosses being like really drying on my lips, and so I pretty much expect that from any lipstick or lip gloss, and this one is so nice and definitely does not do that. So big thank you to Bobbi Brown for that one. I really highly recommend this. I know you can get that at Sephora. Then let's do this little guy. So this is my newest piece. I actually got this in another package I'll talk about in a second yesterday in the mail, so I was happy I waited to film this. This is the Ink Lasting Cushion Foundation, actually from Avon, which I don't think I've ever had any Avon makeup, and I was really like intrigued by this. But this is the little box, and I'm wearing it today, and I won't do a full review on it here, but so it comes in this really big compact, and you open it up. There's a little, a little, which you guys can see I started to use. I try to use these anytime they're like in a thing, but I can't. I think that they're really unsanitary, and I also feel like after you use them one time, it's kind of like you're done. I don't know though, I guess you could wash these, but then underneath you just like flip the top open, and then the foundation's there at the bottom, which I just kept the little seal on. So I'm interested to try this out and see how it wears long term. Like I said, today's my first day wearing it, so I can definitely keep you guys updated on that. If you've tried any Avon makeup, will you tell me though, like, did you like it? What did you try? Because I feel like Avon, I don't know, I haven't heard about them in a really long time. Okay, so now I have some like skincare stuff. I have a few items here, some of which I literally am like still can't believe that they're mine. So the first thing, let's just start here because it's the most over the moon probably of the skincare products. This is the YSL Pure Shots Perfect Plumper Cream. First of all, when I opened it, I was like, that is a pretty package. So this is glass, and I was impressed. The top is like this mirror, it says YSL. And then after I opened it, I was like, you know what though? This is a really pretty package, but it kind of stinks that you're throwing this whole thing away every time. You know, that's like a big waste, it feels like. Then I found out this little, like the pink-ish spot in here, you actually can click out, take the pod out, and then when you're ready to repurchase your moisturizer, your cream, you buy another pod and put it in. So this is basically like a container for your moisturizer, which I thought like was super cool. Let me see if I can show you guys. So it just comes out and you keep that, and then when you get your new one, you lock it back in. I think that's so cool and very like aesthetic to me. I've been using this now for a while, and I just really appreciate YSL sending this too, because it's been amazing, and like I said, the packaging on this is incredible. Such an incredible design. Okay, so next is this product from Goop Beauty, which is so hard for me to say. I always want to say Goop Beauty. I don't know what's wrong with me. But this is the Goop Glow Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. I think I might post a like full-on review of this maybe on my Instagram. I don't know. But it comes in a little bottle like this. This is Gwyneth Paltrow's business. And let me show you guys the inside of it. It still has water on it because it was in the shower this morning. This is what the product itself looks like, and yeah, I don't know if I'll do a full review on Instagram. If you guys want one here, or if you want one at all, you can definitely let me know. This retails for $125, I believe, which is a little much. Happy to do a review on that for you guys if you would like. If you have tried anything from Goop Beauty, I am really interested to know how you liked it though. I feel like this is such a fast video, but I just am so excited and talk so fast when I'm so excited. So my last skincare thing that's not a part of this next little group is the, I say it so funny. I made a joke to Dustin the other day. Anyways, it's not funny. I'm not funny, but I think you say it Innisfree. It's Innisfree. Innisfree. I really want to say my joke, but it's not funny. So this is the pore clearing facial foam with volcanic clusters. I think this just launched today actually while I'm filming this on Sephora. This is the 25th of February while I'm filming, so you guys are seeing this tomorrow, but tomorrow from today. And I've been using this now for a little while as well. Like I said, I won't do a whole review here unless you guys want one, but I think this is like $12 in Sephora. It smells really, really good, and I have been keeping it in my shower and taking it out at night to use both times. So thank you, Innisfree. Last but not least, I wanted to tell you guys something that you might not know about PR packages as well, which is if you... Wait a minute, I just said that about Pixi, didn't I? I'm telling you, my sick mind is not here. Yeah, I did just say that about Pixi. So sometimes when you start getting PR packages, you don't always get like all of them. I just said that. Why are you doing that? To make the same point I already made another time. You don't always get all of the PR packages. I think that that probably has to do with you know, your following and the brand and like where they're at, and all of it makes sense to me. I'm never insulted if I don't get something, because I feel like it's such a huge privilege to me when I do get something that I'm never like, are you kidding? I didn't get that or anything at all. In addition to what I just said, I had not gotten a PR package from Good Molecules in a little while, and I got really disappointed because I have not tried one thing from them that I didn't end up really, really loving. And I know that they had just come out with a cleansing bar and this other thing I'm going to talk about, but I was going to buy these two anyways when I need to repurchase my toner. The niacinamide toner is my favorite one. I have 2 bottles already, and I'm almost in need of a third. And my cleansing balm that I take my makeup off with, I'll never use anything different at this point. Try to change my mind. And so I was going to make an order for that anyways when I run out, and so I just was like, I'll just go ahead and get these two, the 2 new launches as well. Then I see on my tracking that I'm gonna get a package yesterday, and I was like, what is that? Where's that coming from? And I try to mark down where PR packages come from, because sometimes that helps me know like what it might be. And It was Good Molecules, and I was so excited to come home to it yesterday. So it is both of their new launches. So this is the Clarify and Cleanse Bar. I'm going to keep this in the shower and use it. I get sometimes really bad breakouts on my arms and shoulders. I'm not sure why. Not really my arms, but like I guess just my shoulders. And sometimes I get them across my little chest and like on my back. I have back knee, it's fine. But I want to use this on my body. Now I'll be honest, the reason I wanted to use it on my body is because I thought it's a bar, so it's going to be super drying. And I used it for the last, what am I talking about? So I used it for the first time last night because I just got it yesterday, and I was really impressed because, you know, normally any kind of bar that you're using in the shower afterwards, you're like going across your skin because it's so dry. Well, this one, I was expecting that. I like sudsed up really nice all across my chest up here and like on my shoulders, rinsed it off and like went on about my shower, and then I was like, actually that feels really nice. So I told them immediately in a message, I was like, thank you, first of all. Second of all, this bar is so good. It's soap free, it says. It's formulated with a lot of things I can't pronounce because I'm an idiot, but basically they are like trying to make it so that it is not drying, and it is not drying. So I'm leaving this in the shower for that, and also because I think Dustin might use a bar on his face. Not that he even needs it. Guys always have perfect skin that don't care about it at all, but I figured that way I can, you know, trick him into using it maybe. And in their little like info thing, which they always send the cutest packages, the bar is $8, and it specifically says this soap-free formula doesn't strip essential moisture from your skin. It also helps to clear the skin and prevent blemishes. And then it says a few other ingredients. So the second thing in here retails for $18, and I'm so happy to have it. I used it this morning. I felt like a train wreck this morning though, so it's fine. But this is the Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. So it's formulated to energize, I don't know why that sounded so weird. Firm, energize, and hydrate tired eyes. And so this is its little package, but I love Good Molecules packaging. It's just so cute and fresh. And basically you open, there's a little like scoop in here so that you can get your eye patches out. And they're very, like, for a lack of better word, saucy. And so I was afraid they were just going to keep slipping off my face today when I used them. They really didn't, but I did have a good bit left over afterwards, which they told me that I would and that I should. And that basically that's just a serum that you kind of tap into the rest of your skin. And yeah, Good Molecules has got it for me. I love them, and I'm going to place a new order soon to restock some of the things that I love the most, and maybe by that point they'll have something even new, because I feel like they're at the point that they're new enough that they're still coming out with a lot of good stuff. So I'm really excited to see what they have coming up next, because like I said, everything that I have tried from them has been a hit. So thank you, Good Molecules, for sending that over. Okay, here we are. For me, it's 20 minutes later. For you guys, me editing out all the time of me choking and my voice breaking and almost dying, it may be 5 minutes, I don't know. That is it for my PR unboxing today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you like PR unboxings, give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more, and I can like try to save my packages to open like on camera with you guys. So yeah, again, a huge thank you to all the brands who sent me things. I am just so ecstatic, and like almost every time I open a PR package, I feel like a company could send me a pencil with my name on it and I would probably cry. Like, I get so overwhelmed when I get these kind of packages because it's just sweet to be thought of, you know? And yeah, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that you have an awesome rest of your day today. I'm gonna go take this makeup off and take a nap probably, and I will see you guys in a few days with a new video. If you're not already subscribed and you'd like to be, super easy, just hit the button and you will be subscribed and you won't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.